Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. South Africa 1, Bafana. Korea Republic 0. Junior, we are through, mfethu. Siyenzile, mfowethu.
Yeah.
Siyenzile. We are all excited.
Yeah.
We are all happy. Country to Basenze proud for the first time. We are in knockouts stages. All thanks to that man that's on on screen, Coach Hugo Bros. Junior, malubulisa mfethu kunjani?
Shane maprada kunjani?
I'm okay, man.
Ngibulise uJustice. Ngibulise uNkululeko maprada,
Yeah.
ngibulise uBenedict Sofila kazi. Ngibulise uBobo.
Yeah.
Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Exexeni man Shane. Asilelanga mara kuna problem, asilelanga for integrate.
Yeah.
Yeah, hey Shane, I'm very happy now for my
Yeah.
Wachita. Bengabathemba bachita, especially after watching the game yokuqala.
Yeah.
I didn't trust them, honestly. Based on the coach starting 11 sakhe first game. Second game, yeah, at least I will say there was a bit of improvement, I will say honestly. But the game namhlanje, I'm very, very proud, honestly. We played very well in all departments. I think we matched these guys, I need to be honest. Because me in Korea, is South Korea. Bengle believe good they are going to beat us. Very quick, dynamic. They've got so many players in Europe playing top league. You understand? Yeah. There's Gunabo Sang here in their team. There's this guy playing for Wolf. I think.
Oh, in the PL, yeah, Wolves, yeah.
Wolves, I mean to say, on the left hand side. Couple of players. They've got a couple of players that are top leagues in Europe. And also, South Korea, they've improved in terms of playing, the style of play, football, the identity, philosophy. You can see, Badlalama interchange of passing, Badlalama short, long, short, long, Badlalama pull and a window. They've got them a player vision, especially in the midfield. Good players in the midfield, but it's machine. Yeah, compliment to Pirates and Sundowns, I will say. Today it was Pirates and Sundowns. It's only Aya and this guy Akon that they were not playing for Pirates and Sundowns. Pirates and Sundowns.
Yeah, I understand, Junior. I understand. But yazi, mna benothanda ukuthi let's compliment the PSL.
Yeah.
Because I think 90% of the squad sidlala apha locally. I think it's only Umbegezeli Mbokazi and Ime Okon, Yaya Stole. No Masego, abantu abadlala overseas, no Lyle Foster, but 90% yes a squad sidlala apha kwi-PSL, and now they've made history by becoming the first South African generation your progressor further than group stages, more than knockout stages.
Yeah, Shane, let's compliment Pirates and Sundowns. I won't run away from that.
Yeah.
Because it's the first season for him. Not even Naigapeli, if not Mr. Mhlambe say Pelile. Season yabo. But Umbegezeli Mbokazi wambe my January.
Yeah.
He was at Orlando Pirates. So compliment to Orlando Pirates and Sazosho. Masego is not left. Agambanga Neskatesi. Just left now.
No.
He was at Betway Premiership. Well done to our boys. Bonkenje. Kubalulekile uku-import ama-player. When you check Mbokazi improve a lot. I know which was a top player, but when you check him, the way he's matured now, to deal with these type of players, and well done to the boy. Leadership there. Well done to Talent Butter. Namhlanje amele ngimcomplimente. Ngicela ucomplimente this boy nami ngingamkhomba first game. This boy here uyaya.
Yeah.
This is how you respond if people they pointed to you. Show a strong character. I mean, football alfuni talent only. Today the boy was very composed. Did very well, coffee pace. Just that there and there we are born a little bit of mistakes, but the boy did very well. I think today, once I won't get
He fought for your country.
he did everything that you wanted him. Actually, what you wanted from him, he did exactly that. And well done to him, compliment on our talent, but well done to really. In fact, coach well done at a rely on my attacking player. I mean, in today's game, you rely on attacking players. Wing back sitting. I mean, Guamanyama games, play high profile games like this. Your back four must sit there. 4-3-3 is all right. I think 4-2-3 or 4-3-3 is okay.
Yeah.
We as a country, I think we've got players that are skillful. Dlala ngaleso starting 11 whereby leso qualifying ngaso.
Yeah.
Have players badlalise to our best positions. Our players, our own players. Well done to coach njoba ngisho ukuthi aqale ngale starting 11. I think I was pleased in the starting 11 say too. Now my player I think today they gave the coach not disappointed a bit no police. A bit disappointed honestly. We nje umchithe ngibona ukuthi namhlanje azange asinike lento esifuna but well done to this boy. He won us the game. I think uyosenzela sibe khona manje. Thapelo Maseko played a major role ukuthi size sifike la honestly.
Yeah.
He won us the penalty against the Czechs. Today he won us the game. Yes unama chance amistile. Ungcono ukuthi umist target ulibele uvela kunokuthi ungafiki lapha eboxini okanye ungashaya target. The boy did very well. Lo mfana lo ubonisile ukuthi we've got talent in South Africa. And we can compete. He fearless. I mean, he took these players, those guys. And from even they came number 2. Yeah. I mean, first came Ramdal coach. He came on this boy. Even in Sundowns not playing. We need to import players more. And if we take players overseas, and then we need to do more. And if we take them, Nyazgut was a top player, but now Mangam maturity. I mean, actually, PSL, this is a level World Cup, and they did very well. Players. So, compliment to those players too. We need to import more. And that's my opinion, Shane. Nenye compliment team yonke. I think today the guys fought. Everybody we fought one another. Like Labachita bazlwele. Balwelene. I mean, I'm very, very pleased. And I mean, Manga check last 15 minutes, last 10. These guys, they were coming. But now, honestly speaking, predictable. If ngabane VAR, too predictable. Masinga kulma nje VAR. Ngoba bachita into bebayenza. Ba VAR nje pays to these guys. Compact, we're so compact. Yeah. And now besebaleki creativity, they want to go wide. Ba overload ama side. Ama crosses any police ball and squazili ukudila na into ezinjalo. So compliment to the coach. Just let me nagim bengamelanga minimele chairman Maseko bese sothola goal number 2 because 1-0 one goal it's risky. That's for me, Shane. But compliment to the guy bengaboni babuya la because these guys ngibabonile against game check. Yeah. Ngababona against badliwe 1-0 but they missed so many chances against Mexico. Yeah. And today's game for me babene ball position, yes. Short, go wide. Short, bapula la mawilo. But we're so compact. I think we're running out of idea. He's shifting it to, I think, tactical coach spot on. And he's shifting it to spot on as well. Our players work one for one another. Yeah. And we're so composed now. In advance, we say, Pumilipi came up we're so embarrassing. Because we couldn't even make 5 touches. But second game, a bit better. Today again, so we show with it. Nenye into Shane njoba ngisho ngizoemphasize umbekezeli ngihlale ngisho this thing singenze favor Paul.
Talking about umbekezeli, I want you to add also uKhuliso Mudau. Yeah. I think each and every game he continues usibonisa ukuthi he is indeed the best right back in the country. He is one of the best defenders in this country. Namhlanje had a stellar game, a solid game uKhuliso Mudau.
Shane, here's I'm saying to you. Hence I'm saying, Orlando Pirates and Sundowns, so compliment in these 2 players. Yes, as a country won, but the Pirates and Sundowns, they played a major role. They took out the best out of those players. They play Kulma Ngamdao, best right back in Africa for me. Yeah. If not the first best, is the second or third, probably. But for me, is the best. Mdiba as well, very good player on the left hand side. Very comfortable, can play. He's more of a wing back, Mdiba. Now, but they are coachable because today they were sitting. Not going forward. Bagwas good mabachel would sit, they sit. And Bagwas he looked at among opponent to have. Umliba Nagnam City, King of Marka, but today deal with his men. This guy, how many times the guy passed Umliba today? Nothing. So well done to centre back, but at Batalago team. Being at the team as Lalago Petri Premiership week in and week out. At the back. Compliment. So also this guy talent no, we are. But Laliba complimented very well. Really. Number 10 ngihlale ngisho really thina makadlala number 10 mela fit this guy evident. It's a pitch evident enyaweni akusumuntu more of comfortable akana dynamism a bit ukumove just uphila off yabo lama short sprint if bekana lo ngoba really bekakwazi ukuthi aliphule iwindow thola ukuthi ithola ama wide players. You understand? Apolisi bekangena phakathi and I think the Apolisi need to work with this even at Betway Premiership. You need to work as a wing. You start the move yakho outside. Hlala wide izoba nesikhathi asithi uhlale wide more yazi ukuthi mawungena phakathi khatha in kuba ipali elivuleka lonke ukuthi you can score but kunama team when you come inside you come to the traffic yabo bakwazi ukudila nawo first 5 minutes they see you analysis ukuthi ungena phakathi and then badila nawo i-defensive midfield come close to you and then you're not gonna play you run out of traffic so mawungampeka uye nje umuntu eshote ngama game yonke World Cup since iqalile it's him the guy nje ongasiniki le nto le so but compliment to the coach because the coach naye sike samngenelene naye experimentile sine reason ukuthi simngene because angeke usiqale nge-starting 11 unama player njenganawo you can't do that naku dliwa ngawo lama player yabona masidliwa ngama player wethu attacking players and then we can say no we're not good enough we can say we're not good enough but now our players today match these guys. For me, honestly speaking, I think Spameshile Labachi because we created chances more than them. And we clear cut chances. So first half, I think 4. And I think Gile Pola Lily 1, Lily across the buoy, about yeah,
we were lucky there.
Yeah, lucky because if I correlate up a spell, it can play it to be Shincha Jong. But compliment to Abachita, Naming Shaizan Lashin and I think we're gonna face. I'm not too sure Canada or Sweden and Switzerland.
Canada. Yeah.
Canada, but as we say, history. I mean, well done to this generation.
Yeah.
I mean, Sundowns just won the second star, Pirates won triple. I mean to say. So it tells good a bit of improvement in South Africa. Yes, mina njoba ngisho there's a lot engingakwenza masingayika la ma curtain piece. Uningi the most push abachita nabo la kuphethe premiership the more they improve nabo. Yeah.
Junior, thank you so much. That's Junior Khanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. Besibukele kunye ke lo mdlalo Bafana Bafana ne South Korea. Bafana Bafana winile ke bethela sibethela la match 1-0. We are through to the last 32. I mean, we are so proud. We are so proud. From myself and Junior Khanye, thank you so much for watching it.
This is Junior Khanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.